Bonita Applebum, gotta put me on. Bonita Applebum, I said you gotta put me on. Bonita Applebum, you gotta put me on. Bonita, Bonita, Bonita.
Can I kick it? Yes.
Okay, so first day, like my pants. I just want you to see my pants. It was awesome. Got to meet a whole lot of cool new people. I'm on the elevator, so I'm gonna hurry up. And we're about to go to dinner now. And as you can see, the room is super cute. Gonna just do a 180 little spin here. Hopefully I don't get too sick.
Don't look too fast, don't look too hard.
They really gave us a really nice room. The view is beautiful. Like I've looked at it. So we're just gonna look together. I'm having a good day today. Hope everybody is too.
Bonita Applebum, gotta put me on. Bonita Applebum, I said you gotta put me on. Bonita Applebum, you gotta put me on. Bonita, Bonita, Bonita.
Can I kick it? Yes. Can I kick it? Yes. Can I kick it?
We gotta go, cause I left my
Being a visual merchandiser, I had to wear something at least like a little colorful. I can't do the whole black and white thing. I can't do the whole black and just boring. So
I'll show you guys the rest of my outfits too. So, day two.
number two.
I'm kidding. I'm just really pumped. This flyer is $3. Ridiculous. Don't ever open these. This is a trick. A terrible trick. Who would buy water for $3? Aquafina for that. You can get it in a. Never mind. So, I believe that the work hasn't started yet, but as excited as I am, I know it's gonna be a lot of hard work, but that's kind of what I came here for. So I'm super excited to get to know everybody even more. My roommate's freaking awesome. She's downstairs right now. I just wanted to do this in some peace and quiet. I'll let you guys meet her later. She's from Los Angeles. Name is Bree. Super cool. I don't really have any information right now. All we did was, something like a cute little mingler. I'm just really ready for the work. I know it sounds crazy, but I haven't been in school for a minute, so this is a little something bigger than what I've been doing for my time that I've been out of school. But I think they're really ready to prepare us for success.
Kick it.
Then we gotta go, cause I left my wallet in El Segundo.
I'm just excited. First week jitters. Already there, already started, and I'm excited.
Put me on. Bonita Applebum.